With 5G reaching more cities in India, 5G phones are dropping in by the dozen. The latest entry being Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Now let's unpack it. Right away we have the Galaxy A14 5G, which feels slightly heavy and sports a unique finish on the back. Moving on, there's a smaller box inside, on the back of which we have the SIM ejector tool, and inside it we have a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, the usual paperwork, but notably no charging adapter. Coming in at the starting price of Rs 16,499, A14 5G's key features include an octa-core Exynos 1330 processor, Samsung's One UI Core 5 OS based on Android 13, a 90Hz refresh rate display, a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, and a 5000 mAh battery with 15-watt charging support. That's all folks. Tell us what you think of Samsung Galaxy A14 5G in the comments below. For everything tech, subscribe to Gadgets Now. Until next time.